हेलो एवरीबॉडी, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। सो माय नेम इज़ सौम्या है एंड योर साइकिक टैरोट कार्ड रीडर हीलर। एंड आज की जो रीडिंग है वो ये है कि आपकी लव लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है इन नेक्स्ट 2 months. What changes can come around, what can happen with you. So you have two options from here. One is this clear quartz stone. This is used for chakra and overall body healing, and one is moonstone for calming your energy. So let's see what is going around with your love. Those who choose this clear quartz stone, आपकी लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है। यहाँ पे मैं दो अलग अलग डेक यूज़ करने वाली हूँ अपने। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ देयर फॉर यू इन लव। Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile one? What is there for pile one? क्या होने वाला है pile one के साथ? What is there for pile one? Temperance. First card is the Temperance. Second is Two of Cups. No, this is definitely a new person for sure you are dealing with, or if you are not dating, because this reading I am doing for both singles and doubles, couples, everyone out here. So you can deal with definitely Pisces energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, Virgo energy, or you could be in a same zodiac sun moon rising. What is there with my pile one? What is there with pile one? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there with pile one? Strength. And last deck I got Three of Swords. So your person can be definitely Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or a Virgo sign. Okay. So मेरे को जो सेंस मिल रहा है आपके कार्ड से, और जो मुझे स्पिरिट गाइड्स बोलने जा रही है वो ये बोल रही है कि आप डेफिनेटली ये पर्सन आपको लव करते हैं। समहाउ you already get out from your past, and this person might have broken your heart many times, but I'm sensing someone new coming around your way. Or if you're dealing with the new person, this person definitely loves you. This person wants to share equal love with you, and this is your soulmate card. Okay, you are coming around with a soulmate in next 2 months. This person will offer you a marriage proposal 2 or 3 months. If this person, it can be someone new from a new love, totally a new love. Okay, if you're dealing with your present, this your love will be growing very very strong. If you are married here, your love will be growing very strong out here, and yeah, definitely strong in next 2 months. So you don't need to worry. It's like this person can be younger from you, maybe 5 years or 4 years differences you can have, or a 3 years. Okay, this is a general reading, so take what resonate with you. So this person is stalking you on social media all the time. Maybe you both can have some bad fights too, and yeah, but this person sees you as their true love, and this person will be definitely having a transformation coming around their way, because this person was living on crossroads. They were confused, but right now they are not confused. Okay, they are not confused because my nose has also started itching right now. Just they are, you or this person can feel like little like, okay, we are in no contact. Why is this? Why she or he is not talking to me? I don't know why I'm saying she. Okay, it is like that. So you can see number 555 a lot. आपको 555 बहुत दिखेगा, 222 बहुत ज़्यादा दिखने वाला है, एंड ये आपको बहुत जल्द मैरिज प्रपोजल दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन ऑल्सो इक्वली लव यू. You might have get detached from this person. From now you don't care what this person thinks, this person will be slowly taking footstep ahead. So you can deal with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay, and fire signs a lot, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So what message is there in love for my pile 1? What are their person thinking, and what are their person next move can be? Angel Spirit, please guide me. क्या हो सकता है मेरे पर्सन का नेक्स्ट मूव इन फॉर पाइल 1? Retreat. I feel like this person and you both are like disconnected from each other. You both are like, आपका झगड़ा हुआ होगा कहीं ना कहीं, आप दोनों डिस्कनेक्ट कर गए. So this is your first card. I am getting it, and let's see what your angels wants to say. This person is in hurry to get you. So okay, release your ex. So this person is releasing their ex. Even you are releasing your ex. This message can be for you also, guys. Even you can release your ex. Maybe you are still stuck in past, so you need to release your ex, release your past. Okay, because this is your soulmate, guys. This person is manifesting you a lot, and you, even this person might be confused, but very soon they will be like connecting towards to you, and they might propose you very soon for pile 1. Now let's see with pile 2, those who choose this moonstone out here. Okay, this calm your mind a lot. So let's see what is going around with pile 2 and pile 1. If my reading resonated with you, let me know on comment box. What is there with pile 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is coming in love for pile 2? The Tower, 9 of Pentacles, Tower. There is a 9 of Pentacles out here. I am getting one more card, which is King of Swords, reverse. 10 of Wands, so much of Wands, so much of Pentacles. Look like your person is having lots of options right now, and this person wants to conquer you very fast. They are like, this person is like, इनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं फ़िलहाल. Right now you both are going in a tower moment. You can watch even my pile 1. It is like same kind of energies. Okay, right now you both are separated, and this person is working very very hard for you, and right now this person is getting like indecisive. They are not able to like get you, so they don't know what to do now, and there is a 10 of Wands. Okay, so this person is feeling very very scared to come towards you, pile 2. Okay, you could deal with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, and there is, I got King of Swords, yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe there is lots of, I'm sensing lots of Libra, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and another I'm sensing is the fire signs for you all. And last of the deck is the Strength. So your person will make the strength come out. This person sees you like you're a very strong lady or a man out here, and definitely your love with this person will definitely come out very very strong. Okay, because there is 9 of Pentacles, and this person is very working very hard to get you, and I'm sensing like, yeah, this person is right now not in the senses. The Hermit. See, this person can make you hang pile 2. Okay, for others, this person might have lots of option because you both had a bad fight in past or in a few weeks before. I'm sensing that, and there is a death in the Tower. When we get, it's definitely like your person is coming out of out of the past, and this person will have a spiritual awakening towards you, that you are the only one for them. And yes, there is Knight of Wands. This person is coming way to get you. This person will travel around to your place, or you will meet them very soon. Okay, there is Eight of Wands. So yeah, this person is like they want to come you, chase you, love you a lot. And yeah, there are many cards like I'm getting. Nine of Chalices, which is Nine of Cups. They see you as a wish fulfillment. They are seeing you as a wish fulfillment right now. So this person will definitely come out with you to a marriage proposal or a commitment proposal. For some, if you are with them right now, your person will definitely, they are not right now to come, they don't want to come towards to you right now. ये आपके पास अभी आना नहीं चाह रहे, ये अपने ऊपर वर्क कर रहे हैं so that they can offer you lots of love. And this person right now is in hermit mode. This person is not ready for some Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see what is there for you in love, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What are your person currently feeling and what they want from you? Sorry, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Sorry, pile 2. Sorry, I don't know what mood I went in. So let's see what is there for you. Healing family issues. Okay, there was like lots of wand energies in the card, and like this person or you might be having some family issues. Okay, there are many lots of family problems going around. Maybe you are having some age difference of younger and older. For others there is a religious factor affecting, and for some I'm getting Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, money issue. Okay, maybe this person can have lots of even options, but they see you as them, you're as their true love. Okay, wish fulfillment definitely. See, I got a true love over here for my pile 2 out here. So this is like pile 2, and like this person's right now they are not ready. That's why I got this card in reverse, pile 2. Okay, but still I'll check more energy. What is there for pile 2? What are the person next move for my pile 2 out here? Okay, attraction. You both have lots of attraction for sure. This person knows like you are very much attractive, and this person have lots of attraction towards you. And let's see more what is there for you. Codependency. So definitely you both are be very much dependent on each other on past. That's why you maybe had a tower moment, or this person was not listening to you, and this person also decided to detach towards you. So yeah, this is your new love, guys. This is your new love and true love. Right now if you're talking to this person, you might have fight with this person, and that's why the tower moment came around. So this was my reading for you for today, YouTubers and all my subscribers out here. Let me know on comment box if my reading resonated with you. Don't forget to press bell button out there, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for your love, support. Love you all. Bye bye.